Hey guys, so what's really cool about this DIY is that you can make your tree as big as you want it, as small as you want it. As I said, I just want to try it out, so I didn't get enough tinsel. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get maybe some more, make it a bit bigger, but this is a little mini tree. I think it's so cute. So yep, there you go. This is my little tree. It might look awkward, but I'm gonna come back tomorrow, guys, and show you guys the finished result. I'm gonna try and get a little star or make one from like construction paper. And yeah, if you also want to go one step further and beyond just putting up a star, you could definitely add some lights to it, and just make it your own. You can make the tree as big as you want, as small as you want. Put these little trees all over the house. I just think it's a fun way to spruce up your place, for really cheap and really fun. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is it. You also want to make sure to drywall because it won't really go through the door. This is very hard, and I tried to do it like on my front door and that wasn't working. So I'll show you guys really quickly what I used for this DIY. You just pretty much want to get some of these thumbtacks here, and these you can get at the dollar store. I got 2 packs of these, and you can obviously use whatever color you want. So I'm using this. I used 2 packs, so I barely used even 1 pack, because I picked up the different sizes in those. I'm sorry guys, I have the TV playing in the background, but yeah, that's pretty much all that I have. And then the tinsels, and you can purchase whatever color and however long you want it. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy this little video, and I will see you guys on the next one.